As a dancer or a person who's worked and put together a number of productions or anything, you would have picked up, say, oh, this person would fit this role very well. Can you share some things that helps you to identify talent?
I think again, it is a matter of, being very perceptive, being able to look, see, we meet so many people, in the course of our work, or we meet so many people in the course of our life, basically.
Correct.
So, what Abhinava Gupta actually calls is chitta vritti. He uses that word. He says, it is an ability as we are growing older. It's an ability to be able to look beyond the veneer that is being presented to us by a certain person. And in fact, that is what the teacher is supposed to do when she sees multiple students in front of her. Is that you look beyond the persona the person is putting in front of you and try to understand the chitta vritti or the basic temperament of the child. Over a period of time, when we develop this ability to be able to discern, what kind of person, because some people are they may be very brash on the outside, but actually they're very sensitive.
Yes.
Some people will be extremely sweet, extremely nice, but you know that they have a cold core.
Yes.
So there are all kinds of people. I mean, and we are not judging them, but I'm saying there are all kinds of people make the world. So I think somewhere that discernment to be able to say, okay, I think this person is perfect for this, because in spite of the veneer that they are presenting, I think this is what they can do best.
Correct.
So to be able to identify them like that, I think is important. And I am stretching the ability that is already inherent inside the person.
Correct.
And I'm not trying to impose on them an ability which they don't have.